Hey guys, this old house you see behind me here has an old air conditioning system and they said it's not working. I've worked on this thing multiple times before. The yard looks like a mess, don't it? Stay tuned. We're gonna go in and see what's going on. Here we go. Knock, knock. Hey, I come see about this air conditioning.
Yes, sir.
Mind if I come and see what's going on?
Oh, no.
Okay. Hope I didn't bother you.
Oh, no.
I did call. I didn't know if anybody told you I was coming.
Yeah. He told us I was waiting for you.
Okay. Take a look here. Turn this to cool. Was it not cooling at all?
So it really is not really cooling when it's hot.
Starting making noise. Oh my word. Even that's clogged. All right, I'm gonna check it outside real quick. I might have to go get you a filter and yeah, I will have to go get one. But I'm gonna check it outside real quick, okay?
Okay.
I feel like I'm on a safari. Ain't no telling what's gonna jump out the bushes. All right, that right there tells me that it was probably doing just fine. This is an old R22 unit. Head pressure, suction pressure is high right now. Let's go ahead and check head pressure while we got it like this. You gotta be kidding me. Hey, I need one of them 3-year filters. That's what I just pulled out.
You just pulled out. I know it's like a carpet.
Okay, a 3-year filter isn't a real thing, but you know what is real? How about a 10% discount on your order at a supply house? Not just any supply house, we supply trades. Use the code HVAC10 when you check out. There's a link in the description. On with the video. All right, that's one of the oldies but goodies, an old R22 system. You can't beat them. They don't make them to last that long anymore. That's probably 30-plus-year-old system. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, how about like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.